Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? This is your boy PK. Welcome to the channel PK Detectives guys, and today I have this. This is the iPhone 11 from last year, but as I turn it around you probably see the box has a whole new dimension and whole new view to it. It's a very thin box. If you compare it to something like a normal OnePlus or any phone box, you could probably see the box is half the size of any normal smartphone box. Meaning, you could probably have two iPhones in them, couldn't you? I'm really curious to know what actually Apple ships in these new boxes of iPhones. So the box we got is an iPhone 11 Black Edition. As we open the box, you could see probably the brand new glossy iPhone 11. The logo look really nice and phone is really beautiful. Now let's turn over and open this wrapper. That sounds so sweet. I probably have seen every YouTuber doing that and they love this sound. Now going to the box itself, in the top we find firstly some paperwork. This instruction card telling you about the buttons on the iPhone. Then we get some paperwork along with a SIM card removal tool. Then at the end we have this Apple logo stickers, which are probably of no use. Keeping the paperwork aside, then we get this cable of USB-C to Lightning instead of getting a charger brick and a USB-A to Lightning port in the previous boxes. And the rest of the box, there's nothing you could probably find. Keeping the box aside, coming down to the phone, you could see probably this is a brand new iPhone 11, which looks really nice. The glass back, which is glossy, and the matte finish of the camera looks really nice. Now let's switch on the phone itself. And there's the Apple logo, and it is a go for it. If you are probably one who cares a lot about his smartphone's protection, then you can get this case from Spation, which is really cool and really safe. Let's go and unbox it. You could probably see this rugged case. It's called the Liquid Air. It has these nice patterns at the back which prevents the phone from slipping inside, and it has the spider design inside this. And you could probably see the phone fits really nice and perfectly in this cover, and the phone from the back and the front looks really nice and really cool. Now talking about the iPhone 11 generally in 2020, it is still a great phone in 2020. For the performance it offers at this price, that is probably $599 US or probably 50,000 Indian rupees, thanks to Apple for releasing the iPhone 12 so that the prices are really down by a good amount. The display is really good, to be honest. Personally, when I look into the display, I'd have no complaint about the criticism it has to face for its screen resolution. The pixels are definitely visible when you look at this display very closely, but for a general person watching videos or the colors, everything look really normal and really nice. The amount of sharpness, the amount of saturation, the amount of true tone is really good of this phone, and it really offers what it says to. The sound quality of this phone is also great. Here's a sample.
On my taste and evaluating if something's good or not, but why don't I make my own perfect smartphone or something like that?
As you could probably see, the sound of this phone is really good. You get a stereo speaker as well as a bottom speaker, which makes the sound really clear and loud. Looking at the back, the design of this phone is also really good. The square cut of the camera having the matte finish is probably one of the unique design you would find. And although everybody copies Apple, nobody seemed to copy this camera design, thinking this isn't that great, but to be honest, it's really nice. The aluminum rails at the side makes this phone really more premium, and the best feature, as I always say, is that button at the side, which is gonna help you to put your phone into the silent mode, which is great. It's a small feature, but it's a very important feature. Now, this phone being great, also the one demerit of this phone is that it catches really good fingerprints. As I previously mentioned in the video, if you want to get rid of that, you could probably use one of these cases from Spation. The links are in the description. So that was all about the iPhone 11. So if you like this video, guys, make sure to give that a like and subscribe. And if you didn't, make sure to give that a dislike. We are bringing new videos at the last week of December about the iPhone 12 Pro Max, Apple Watch SE, and many more videos. So if you want to watch that all, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.